Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your net. After check your net, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery and make sure turn off battery power saving. After turn off power saving button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Click on reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.